All pepper there, all tomato there, sweet pepper there, everything of it in it.
Yo, that spice a kick my tongue a bun. Why the can't pork?
Clean pork, if you want jerk pork, come and call us jerk pork.
Where they are Port Antonio, Portland, crazy street food episode where they are Boundbrook. Country people call it Boundbrook, but you don't know the correct pronunciation is Boundbrook. We're at a hot spot where they do breakfast, go straight up to lunch. This is Dapораdo's crazy street food tent right here in Port Antonio, Boundbrook, forward. Let's say a cooking oil I use like fire.
Yeah.
No kerosene oil?
No kerosene oil, cooking oil. And everything ready.
Whoa. Ain't that the trick? Coal fire style, crazy. We're under the tent and great Daporado. I set up the fire right now. Big bag of coal right there, so coal fire style in a Portland cooking oil. Yes, man. So when you see that, we just see 3 pot gone on the fire already. See a big pot, we see a goated soup going in that. 2 other pot gone on the fire. It's just the country feeling, the environment, the vibes, the ambience, everything just crazy about this. And we have to take in some of Dapораdo's cooking to the inner Portland. Yes, man. How going in that pot there?
Food I'm going in.
It's a food.
Food.
Banana and them thing there.
Banana, yeah man.
Yeah man, them thing there.
Sweet potato.
Dumpling that a boil different.
Dumpling, same way in the pot.
Alright. Whoa.
This is vinegar. Keep the banana nice.
Hold on, vinegar?
Nice and white. Yeah.
Eh? So hold on, that take off that little brown thing there.
Yes.
I never know,
Take out
man.
the stain. Right.
That new to me. Whoa. Right.
Fry like a corn pork, you have to get it nice.
So fry up the corn pork. Yeah. Crispy and nice. Oh, yeah. Oh. Small and nice cheese and peas. Woo! Corn pork gone in the pot. Cheese and peas. We just say all that. Whoa. Just see all of that water, vinegar, that was a vinegar, take off that little brown, it make the banana white and pretty when you eat it. So it give that brownish color look in the pot when you see, you go some places and you get that brownish look. So that was new to me. Crazy vibes, and the corn pork looks so good in the pot, in the aisle. So that I go fry up crispy, and you don't know when ackee add to that, cheese and peas. Man, real vibes.
So stick up. Anytime you start to stick up, you can't stay there so fight a pop.
Tap up.
What?
Whoa.
You have to have a duck shot.
Whoa.
Nice.
Breadfruit in our backyard. Breadfruit I go roast. Breadfruit I go roast.
Breadfruit I go roast.
Whoa.
Soon when the fire come up bright.
In our back there. Crazy. A lot of food there today. A lot of cooking. Yes man. Right here in Portland. Daporado, the great Daporado man. Oh yes.
This is the conch.
This is the conch.
Yeah, this is going to be a curry conch.
Oh yeah? So hold on.
Yeah.
As it is now, it's boiled and scald.
Yeah, boiled, scald.
Season out.
Ready for season up, you know.
Oh.
You don't take much.
Oh yeah?
You just need it for us. Getting vegetable in.
So curry conch go there upon the menu. Yeah. Oh yes. Curry conch. Yes, man. Crazy, crazy.
One of the top things for the people in curry conch.
Wow.
Sometimes I prep it at home. Cook him down at home, but I don't like cookie, so I like cookie. Put the vegetable in.
True.
Right, so.
True.
Fresh vegetable.
Fresh.
Nothing have to warm up. We don't like the warm up thing. We like to do the thing fresh from the thing. We really enough to do it fresh like that, but.
Oh, wow.
I know she good at it.
Wow.
Yeah. Sweet potato, sweet pepper. Everything in there.
Oh. Yeah, the fire kick one. You have a specific person where you buy coal from though?
Yeah, me have a special
friend
of mine.
Coal yard.
They get them coal from St. Elizabeth.
A straight to St. Elizabeth, them coal come from?
Yeah, them coal come from St. Elizabeth.
Whoa.
St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, the pork can smell up, you know. I take time to smell up little. Cheese and peas. We can't wait to taste little like this. Yes, man. Pork can smell up little.
The mixed vegetable.
Mixed vegetable. Yeah. Whoa. Proper way season up right.
Turn breadfruit.
Wow. Yes, man. Wow. Breadfruit each and pan the side of fire. I don't know what time it is. I don't know how to plating one. Once you see breadfruit and them thing there, each and pan side of fire. I don't know say a crazy cooking technique them. Yes, man. Country style. Yeah, man. Portland vibes. Portland tone. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good flour go in there now.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Pork pot take time go and bubble in there now. Yeah, man, that smell. When it start, you right here. Can't turn near it. Start pop. Yeah.
Two of them. Yeah. This morning.
The yellow yam. Normally in a pot too.
Yeah, well, yellow yam have to work. Sometime in a den time it's hard to get food time.
Whoa. Real?
Yeah, man, food time expensive. Them time. Yeah.
But Portland no flourish ground, man.
Yeah, man, but the people them sometimes they sell it out to the.
Out of port.
Yeah.
Oh.
They ship you out and
Okay.
run short of food.
Kingston and them place there.
Yeah.
So who in a Portland can't get it the how them want it.
Yeah, I tell you.
Wow.
And when you get it, they want to sell it there.
Yeah, arm and a leg.
Yeah.
Cheese and peas.
Yeah.
So just see that canned pork bust up in a pot at the time I go and pop in it even start good yet, but yam a go in a pot now. Crazy yellow yam dumpling in a pot and the fire them a kick. Cola kick, breadfruit each hand on the side. Crazy street food cooking right on the street side. This is the real deal. Yes man, no hiding thing. You actually see how your food are prepared right on the street. This is some crazy thing. Yeah man, in a Portland. Silic like them a change color now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. Silic like the canned pork at the time change color now. Sweet potato.
White, you know.
Eh? After brown. After brown. Wow. After brown. Just the sweet potato add to the pot now. A lot of food. Yam, sweet potato, dumpling, banana add to that. It's just crazy. I will see breadfruit on the side. And the fire them a kick. Oh my god, I love them cola. Yeah man, I love them cola. Wow.
Now party at the evening time.
Real. Whoa.
Alright.
So you do breakfast go straight up to lunch?
Breakfast go straight up to lunch.
One cooking?
One cooking.
Whoa. Whoa.
Straight.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Do some nice escovite fish. This away. The cooking oil for the fish is the banana.
Yeah man.
You don't want to skin up your hands so much.
Original Jamaican style, man. What you say, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, say, man.
The banana nice and white.
Oh, God, boy.
You know banana soft.
Whoa. Stop. What a banana name? What a name? What a name?
You know me know.
You know the name of that one?
No.
I don't know them different, you know.
You know, so you can't see the banana from the skin. Oh, if they're tough, or if they're soft.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And this no, just keep the thing nice and white.
White.
With vinegar.
Whoa.
And put in there.
Yeah.
How much potato put in that at here?
One, I go up together.
Oh, you go up to the other one. Alright.
Just imagine this. In the country area, I go eat some boiled food, literally food with canned pork. Just imagine that. For all who watching this video, oh my God. I will just eat. I go just eat for me own canned pork with ackee and boiled food. Yes, man. Whoa. Color start change up on them pork, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Which one? Oh, no, I'm different too.
Can't go too close to that because the oil up pop and the color them start, them just start getting so crispy, you know. Yes, man. Crazy. This smells so good. Woo.
So don't shoot nobody. Yeah, what it? What's up? To the great flag here. Food gone a yard again. Oh, food gone abroad again. Yeah? Yeah. I'm on the road, okay? Alright, buddy. Talk later, man. Alright.
Yeah, man. I love pop up. Yes, man. Real deal. Real. Man, you look about canned pork. You look about canned pork and the oil now pops on a real canned pork. Yeah, man. Real deal. And all of them are change color now. I get that look golden, crispy color. Yes, man. Wow. Somebody get mad now. You get that for them canned pork, I get mad now. Yes, man. Wow, crazy. Look on that. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Let's say I'm that.
Yeah.
Now I get no brown on that.
No brown on that. See there? Curry chicken, yeah.
What's that? The curry chicken is?
Curry chicken back.
Back. Whoa. Whoa. Back. Back.
Yeah.
This is not curry chicken. Curry chicken back, the original thing.
No.
See, I gotta slice him up.
Yeah.
Whoa. Two pudding just roll in. Canned pork come off of the fire. Banana there they are going in a pot, you know. The pot are bubble and the fire kick. And we just see some well seasoned curry chicken back. Curry chicken back. This is the real deal. Crazy vibes.
Yeah, feels nice this.
It's a nice slice. Alright, respect, man. Whoa. Oh yes.
Yes, that's
respect.
nice.
Respect. Kick off the morning. Crazy vibes with a piece of sweet potato pudding. This was actually not done here, but an actual elderly lady who do this and send it come out the spot, and the great Daporado just sell it, so you know, say, and a pian thing this original from an old lady do this. You know, say, and a play sweet potato pudding, and they have to taste it. Crazy on the street side, a bag of people. It's just early in the morning, it's like after 8, 9 in the morning, and a bag of car pass, and people are go about them business, and Street food vibes. Yeah, man.
Just check.
Soft. This, whoa, this soft, man. Cheese and peas. Whoa. Whoa. This tastes so good. Cheese and one of the nicest pieces of food I've ever eat for in a while. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
People don't get it like that.
Oh my
You can't
God.
get it on a sentence like that.
Wait a sec, the hot spot where they are sent and you can't get it this
you
up.
can't make it like this.
Whoa.
Can't be.
And it's a elderly lady that said do this?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Yes.
Jeez.
You know the business.
Woo.
Yeah, got two stuff, man. Have the team ready.
Yes, man.
Got some coconut milk.
Chocolate like that tonight too.
Yeah.
Whoa. Get the more seasoning on it.
Turn your breadfruit at the same time, you work. You know, itch.
Whoa.
You have to get shit done.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Irish. Add Irish to the curry.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Let's keep it. Try and get a nice taste of the thing.
Wicked vibes.
Food and our food ready to come on. Yeah, nice.
Banana them
nice and
white. Yes, man.
Ready.
Choo.
Ready to come on.
Whoa.
In a minute.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Soon start seasoning up.
Whoa. Soon start seasoning up the goated pot. Yes, man.
Team yam.
Curry pot a go and bubble up. Crazy. So,
Super everything already.
Super ready by 9:30?
Yeah.
Whoa. Crazy vibe. So hold on. So people stop yourself. People come yourself. Stop yourself. 10 o'clock one morning.
10 o'clock.
Them a get food.
Yes.
Them can full them belly.
Yes.
Whoa.
Everything ready by 10 o'clock.
Whoa. Crazy.
That's the latest.
For the latest. Things are ready. Whoa. So hold on. You cook.
It's a straight corn pork.
You get just
Straight corn pork.
So you get corn pork straight.
Yeah.
And you get it with ackee.
And you get it with ackee.
Whoa.
Straight corn pork this.
Whoa.
You get it with action.
Oh yes. Cheese and peas. Man. You can just imagine how this food got taste already. Crazy. Oh yes, so you get straight corn pork and you get corn pork and ackee. Oh, the options. Curry chicken there go and bubble on food over there say about to come off for the fire now. Food at a time come off for the fire now. See that? One more pot go on right now. Yes man. Ackee and corn pork pot gone on. Oh yes. Oh, the food, the vibes, the smell, everything just iconic right now. Yes man, and everything I take time come down to par, so you know we just eat piece of sweet potato pudding, one of the nicest me ever had in a while. And right now, with the food bell there, bubble on to get some of this food too. Oh yes.
Goated soup, we are line up right now.
Yes, yeah.
So everything have to do.
Them liquid. Whoa.
Yeah.
So one wine I goated soup already.
We have the vegetable, then cocoa, dashi.
Whoa.
We have cocoa, carrot, dashi in.
All of them things there for the body.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Something good for your eyesight, the carrot.
The carrot, oh yes, but some of them they are bubbling on top there, yes. Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, take time, dice up and go in and look at that. Yeah man. Original coal fire vibes. Yes man. Coated soup. Boy, I years this a go on, you know. I can't know the thing, you know. I years it a go on, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. Any food, any soup spot you find, you know. It have to be there, you know. Oh God man, it have to be there, man. Whoa.
Once you call for the cooking ready.
Yeah. Whoa. Crazy food I go on here, so man. Soup at the right just have. Hobble down. Whoa. crazy. The smell. The smell and the thing them not even ready yet. Oh God, man. Oh, wow. Oh, you get that color there, man. Jeez. Hey, some people who curry in that one.
White.
You know? Oh God, man. Look on the color.
Good curry this man.
Good on the color.
You know?
Wow. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we trick Maggie.
Oh, yes.
I'll go on the chain.
Yeah, my father.
Yeah,
See,
everything.
I should go to the party now, man. You know,
Yeah.
best case in Patna Portland is right just
Real way.
my place, you know, man. Right down here, man. Road, probably soon in a box, you know. Yes, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Boy, the curry look extra rich. Extra rich. Yes, man. Oh, God, man. Soup what a bubble up. The fire ya kick. Them coal ya kick. Yes, man. More pepper just add to the curry pot. Keep that little spice. More flavor. Yes, man.
Mad.
Yeah, man. It's a mad curry. Mad curry. Oh, oh, yes. Oh yes. Well, I love say you dump a lot of seasoning in this.
Yeah.
Onion and everything.
Pepper.
Whoa.
All pepper there.
Whoa.
All tomato there.
Whoa.
Sweet pepper there. Everything have it in it.
Everything.
Yes,
Whoa.
we have a good taste of it.
Whoa.
Nice of it.
Whoa.
Bubble on now. Bubble.
Whoa. Yes, man.
5 minutes, not done.
Why the can't walk this up? Woo. Chicken back, I take time bubble gum. A bubble down here now.
Chicken back down here.
They said it's done.
Yeah, chicken back can take that.
Whoa. Yo, when it's food, I go crazy. Once a food, I go crazy. Oh my God, this canned pork and this chicken back. I'm there under the tent and the sun is just coming up. It's just 9 o'clock on the dot and I sweat. The place hot and feeling good. Crazy. Right temperature, right smell, right environment, right food, right everything. Crazy vibes, man. Yeah, man. Give God thanks for that. Yeah, man. So the straight canned pork.
Straight canned pork.
Wow. Oh yes.
Cook down in about 2 seconds.
Alright. Straight canned pork down here.
We have curry
Can-
conch down now.
Ah, the conch you know.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes, man.
Curry conch down now.
Yeah, man. So the conch gone on. Curry conch. Straight canned pork gone on. With the breadfruit still up on the fire going roast down. And guess what? Curry chicken done. Pebble down the rich curry chicken. Finish. The canned pork with ackee. Finish. Oh my God. Woo! Spinners, you know.
Yes, spinners are going at the pot now. Soup are go down to nitty gritty. Yeah.
Oh, speedy. Yeah, man. Great Dapo. Crazy, crazy movement of the ants. Spinners in a soup. Oh, yes, man. Oh. Just tell me if you don't feel for some coated soup, some real ram coated soup. Yes, man. Right, yes, I want to find that. Crazy, crazy Portland vibes.
And anybody can take the heat, you know, man. The heat.
So you say the heat?
What the
Oh
cold
my
body.
God. Oh my God, man. The heat dangerous with you, man.
Cold.
Especially since recent too.
Yeah.
Getting worse, man.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Soup pot coming down to far, man. Crazy, crazy vibes under this tent right here. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Soup vibes, food vibes. Yeah, man.
What o'clock? Who is who?
Straight up back to 12 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah. Come certain time you can't get enough food. Gone home for you. Now about 12 o'clock tonight. Alright, this is the curry conch.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Nice. They say them are done.
Oh.
Oh,
You have to bun them to get them the right way.
true. Crazy. So a lot of this stuff actually pre-cooked from home and then found on the spot come add a punch of seasoning and give the final touch on cold fire. Wow, crazy. As well as stuff that's done directly on spot. Wow, street food vibes here in Portland, man. That is cold food right there, so. And canned pork itself, canned pork with ackee, done. Straight canned pork, done. Curry chicken, back, done. Breadfruit, done. Boiled food and with banana and yam and all of them things. They done soup that come down to par and some agate over here, sag up on the grill.
Catch it.
Listen, agate.
Agate.
Oh, grill agate.
Jerk agate.
Wow, never hear about that one.
Yeah.
That one I new to me. Yeah, man. That one I new to me. So this boil and see everything. So you just go up on the grill, let us stay. Oh.
Nice and soft and moist.
Wow. Crazy. We'll have to taste some of this again too because. Oh, debone too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Debone.
I have to taste some of this again. First time I got try jerk again. Man, the options, the food that is right at this local spot. Crazy vibes, man. Daporado. Yeah, man. Oh, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Same time you cool him down.
True.
Yeah.
So I give him two things at once.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, watch it steam, man. Jesus. It's hot. Yes. Watch real food, man. Just look on real food, man. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, man, the cool, yeah, wicked, man. Yeah, man. Pop.
Sometimes start out pop.
Whoa. So the conch finish.
Conch down.
Whoa. So conch finish. Crazy vibe. See some again over there, so I go and jerk down on the grill. Can't wait to taste some of that. And right now, cold fire I go and top up with more. Festival I go fry. Fish I go fry. He also do jerk chicken. 3 days out of the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you can come and find Dapo right at this spot. For the 3 days them, crazy vibe. The menu switch up, saying no say even on the Fridays, Saturdays, menu switch up, curry goat, stew peas, all of them things there. OXTAIL right at this spot. It's just crazy and canned pork and ackee after there every day. You know,
I put rice and peas. White rice.
That's a white rice.
White rice.
Straight white
And
rice.
breadfruit.
White rice and breadfruit.
Rice,
No rice and
no
peas.
rice and peas. You
Wow.
can't cook everybody up.
Wow. Straight. Have to be a difference. There's have to be a difference too. Crazy vibes. But the canned pork after there every single day. The canned pork and ackee after there every day. It's just crazy because that's one of the people I'm favorite. I can't wait to taste some of that. Festival I go fry now.
And you can't see them pots I go through hell.
At the real
Working
deal them, man.
pot.
Yeah, man, at the real deal them, man. At the real deal them, man.
Yeah.
Go through a lot of cooking. Yes, man. A lot of good stuff come out of them pot there. Yes, man. Burn up on the fire. Oh, yes.
Let's go coming out of the pot.
Yes, man. Oh, God, man. Chicken back.
So where you going with DJ Shabba ranking?
I love when him sing to you, know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man.
You see how I'm juice man doing, come here with me juice.
God, man.
All this stuff here.
Whoa. Whoa. Plate full of goodness. Yes, man. Respect, man. Respect, you know? Boy. One plate of goodness. Look at this, man. Oh, yes. So, we have the breadfruit in this, we have the banana, yam there in this, the dumpling. Oh my God. Oh, a spoon is my get. Cheese and peas. The ackee and the corn pork. Whoa. We're not asking about, we are going at the same way. So, we never see people eat dumpling with spoon. Yard life, I'm going to do this right now. So, we are the dumpling soft. Oh, where this fly come from? Oh. This dumpling so soft and moist. Spoon we use digging at this.
You go somewhere for next year when they have nowhere to go home.
Whoa. Already the flavor start kicking. Whoa. Oh, them banana are soft, man.
Banana is soft.
Them must melt.
Yeah, man.
Woo.
The banana stuff, you must stuff, you know.
Cheese them. Breadfruit. Wow. Soup still over there go and bubble on. Cow foot over there go and bubble on. This banana is wicked. Oh, what could have nicer than this in the early morning. This will be now wait for taste all along. We see this dropping at the pot and get crispy up, burn and crispy up. This are the corn pork. You know that saltness, yeah, wicked vibe and this paired with some ackee. Whoa. Ackee and corn pork, yeah. Cheers, Sam. Nah, man. We can't sit down and eat them food, yeah. Cheers, Sam. Woo. Oh God, man. Wow. I'll go back in this dumpling. This dumpling is so soft and moist. Get that taste out of this curry chicken back. Yo, the color on this was extra rich. This now you like orange. And the flavor bursting. Oh yes. Oh, the yam. The yellow yam. Soft and moist. This spot is a crazy hot spot. In the mornings, it's after 9 right now. And may I tell you, food ready. May I sweat. Get some of this yam paired with this ackee. Get a little piece of corn pork on it. Get a little piece of corn pork. Woo! Why that po? Yeah. Wow. So why the people love this spot in the mornings them? Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. Get a piece more of this breadfruit, dip it in it. Oh yes, man. Real deal. Dip some of this in the gravy. And I go through. canned pork and ackee. We also got 2 dumplings. Ooh. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes, man. This is the lick. This is the lick. Actually, I consume all of this on camera. It's right here at the spot. Them chicken back here. Come on, after last week I see now. Them chicken back here seasoned from how long? Chicken back here seasoned from how long and I wait. Eh?
Everything good chicken seasoned from one there.
Whoa. Season and put on from. The food actually done.
Right early.
Uncut. Same way how you're watching it. Festival of dropping. Oh yes.
Put a little pepper in it.
In the festival?
In the festival, a little piece of garlic.
Oh wow. In the oil?
In the oil.
Eh?
Yeah.
Hot pepper and garlic in the oil for the festival of right. Uncut. Same way how you see it? That's how you're getting it. Right here at the spot. The food is literally done. Whew. Oh my god. This is the vibe here in Portland. Yeah man. Right at Daporado spot in Portland. Crazy food spot. Still have more canned pork. Everything done. Just have chicken back left. You know, let me get mashed down. The vibes. Right now, I sweat like whoa. But the food keeps going. The flavor keeps going. Oh my god. This is wild. When I don't eat it, because I get them on the fire jerk. We have to taste some of that. We got some sweet potato pudding. I'm gonna tell you, oh my god. Chicken I go jerk also, fish I go fry. Non-stop street food vibes. And this little tent right here. Yeah man. Done. It's done. Wow. This food tastes so good. The canned pork and the ackee. For the one canned pork and ackee, the real lick coming up Portland. Right here, so under this little tent. We are getting at the pot again. Because more things are going. Yeah man. Forward. Boy, that food was a blast, man. That canned pork and the ackee there. Cheese and peas, man. Wow, wicked vibes. Look how me sweat. I'm wet. Festival up on the fire, man, bubble down. Super still over there, so I can bubble down. The soup ready. Whoa. Whoa. Soup ready. Cold food the right there, so I go and bubble in. Look at that. And the haggard over there, so the pan that I go and jerk down. It's just crazy.
The color coming, eh?
Yes. Ooh. Jerk again. Whoa, after eating all of that, we still are going to eat more. Wanna know yard life, look how me wet, man. Jesus. Yes, man.
Nice color.
Yo, me just the breadfruit, the breadfruit and the dumpling just lick me back. The taste of that, the texture, the dumpling, cheese. Whew, that plate of food was crazy, crazy, vibesy. Yes, man.
Yeah, white rice this. I'm sure get him in top. Yeah. Wash him up. Sit down like how your grandmother would have sit down.
Yeah, really, man. Oh, God, man.
Yeah. Oh, nice, yeah. Like a sap.
Yeah. Whoa. White rice I get seasoned up, you know. Tip a little oil in that. Give it a vibe. Salt him. Piece of thyme, all of them little thing there. Give him flavor also. Crazy, pal. Yeah, man. Super top of this bubble and that pork, that hagget. Actually, I smell that. I smell that.
Oh, good.
Cow foot are going to bubble down under the heat. The soup pot. Check out the soup pot. Yes, man. Cow foot are going to take time simmer down, I know. Right lick. That's the right lick. Yes, man. Wow.
Aggie. Nice.
Man.
Nice and soft.
Wow.
You want a piece of the tongue, you get a piece of the tongue. Anything you want.
Jesus. Peace. Again.
Soft, aggie. Yeah. Benji, you want your food? Hear me, boss?
Yeah.
That's all of our money. Yeah. Yeah.
Question, you make your sauce them too?
Yeah, I make my own sauce. If you want some of my special sauce, come right just come.
Respect.
Come make it.
Where's the special sauce?
Benji, what you got?
Whoa. So this are the one?
That's special sauce, the Drake special sauce, Daporado sauce.
Whoa. Nice. Oh yes, respect, man. It's a natural juice there. So at the spot, right at the spot. You can always get some natural juice. So the flavor.
All the time, beetroot, pine and plum, coconut water,
Oh yes, natural.
star fruit, plum and pine.
Whoa. Right at the spot.
Right at the spot.
Whoa.
Don't fear to come at the spot.
Whoa, yes. Look on that, man.
Yeah.
We have some agate right here, so we're going to test out this right now. Crazy vibes. We're going to dip in at the agate. We actually eat dumpling with spoon. Crazy banana with spoon, yam with spoon, curry chicken back with spoon, ackee and corn pork with spoon. But we are gonna dip in this jerk again with a finger. Yes, man. Oh yes. Hot, hot. Dip it in a little of the sauce. This texture is actually different from the pork body itself. Cucumber string bean? Yeah man, definitely man, respect. Yeah. Cucumber string bean right from the house. Wow. The texture is actually different. Crazy. Crispy. Crispy, I look at the piece of the tongue. This is the tongue, we actually find it. This is the tongue, jerk, hog tongue. With the sauce, wicked. I'm gonna try it without the sauce. The texture is actually more softer than when you're eating regular jerk pork. This is more soft, and this actually, as you put it in your mouth, especially the tongue, or just put it in my mouth, that literally just melt it. That just melt it. Whoa. Wicked vibes, man. Going at the tongue again. We're going at the tongue again. Wicked vibe. Crazy. First time eating agate. I love jerk pork. If you eat jerk pork, you're gonna love agate also. So the agate is a vibe. Now I love to try the hog balls, the jerk hog balls. My ear said that, but right now we're gonna try some natural juice right on the spot. Yo, that spice a kick, my tongue a bun. Try some cucumber with string beef. First time I'm gonna try a mixture like this. Fresh. This is fresh. Right now we're speaking more coal are rolling. And more coal I come in. Yeah. More bag of coal are coming. That is the vibe right there. So never out of fire, never out of flames. This is fresh. This tastes like no sugar at all in it. But because the flavor of the cucumber and the string bean and that cool temperature where you get, wow. Wow. Crazy bite, man. This tastes like no sugar in it, but it's a kick because it's refreshing. Ice actually in the bottle if you don't look good. Full come right up or so. This is the vibe here, man. Crazy. We are going to the kitchen again. So we're going.
White rice.
Oh, God, man.
Not bad.
Yeah. Nice.
It's have a cool look, you know.
Yeah, man. You say it well, it's have a cool.
Oh, yes, man.
Right.
At the weekend, man, you can't mash up your mouth, you know.
Oh, God, man. Respect, man.
The weekend, you can't mash it up. Nice.
It's better than than to use the plastic.
Yeah, man. Plastic burn you up, you know.
Eh?
Plastic burn you up.
You burn up right?
Burn you up.
Burn you up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, plastic burn you up, man. Let's put on that pan it and that's it. It's done.
Done him done?
Yeah.
Oh.
I give you some fish now.
Oh.
Take this thing I give you now.
It's a fish on the fry.
Fish on the fry, I know.
Crazy vibes, the options we get at this spot. I'll go in our pot right now. Fish are go fry, we just done. We have some soup over there, so go and cool long. It's just crazy. We just don't need some pork. Crazy amount of food at this spot. Daporado. Yeah, man. Hello, man. So what the slice now, man?
Chuck in the seasoning.
Oh.
The seasoning.
You know, I think people normally do it to make the fish not curl up. Not the pot.
No. Then you have a way. If you don't want it to curl up, you cut it so. Oh. So you know fish will curl up. Fish like these not curl up.
Okay.
It's very hard for them curl up. Like parrot can curl up, but them have a hole.
Oh.
Them big one.
Yeah.
Them the easy for curl.
Okay.
No? Yeah. Here's some nice fish.
Snap over here, sir. Snap over this?
Yeah, yellow.
Yellow tail.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Parrot and yellow tail. Soon going at the aisle for well at. You don't know yard people style. Aisle well at. Fish can't stick. Yes, man.
Seasoning down to the ground.
Oh, man.
Jerk chicken.
Whoa! Jerk chicken. Man. You said them I put them for last year. You heard if you go up and grill and watch them, man? Jeez, jeez. Whoa.
Sometimes we make to marinate. You see me a beat off.
Eat after the season?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice. Chef. Alright.
Full bucket.
Cheer the one leave on this.
Yeah. So public health to the water.
Well seasoned on ice long in the bucket. Can hardly pull out from one another. So you know so the marinate, the season of that. Well sit down. Yes man, for days. Wow. Go straight on the grill. When you take a bite out of that. Woo!
Which one?
From these two?
One more. Alright. Yeah.
Cover him down, make the heat go and do the trick. Because you don't want a big fire under that, you know, just the heat do the trick. Yes, man. Oh, fish over there are going at the eye right now. Oh, I can't miss that. I want to drink some soup. Oh, I said fish are season up, you know. Yes, you jump in at the aisle. Ooh. Yes, man. I will have the soup in our hand. I have to drink some goat soup, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
Ooh. Whoa. Flavorful.
Yeah.
Cheese and peas. It come like all the soup hot flavor from last week and put on a marinade. Man. Can definitely taste that goat vibe. Yes, man. Wow. Ooh. Hi. Fish gone in the pot. And this soup. This is the tribe. This is the tribe. Just taste piece of the tribe. This goat soup without tripe. A little piece more. That's what we call this again. We call a piece again.
What are they?
A rag.
Yeah,
I don't call it rag. Oi. Oi. Man. Yo, the amount of flavor that piece of carrot. Wow. Flavor in every sip. How are this? You know what a piece about? Wow. Yo, this street food vibe is just crazy. Jerk chicken, just the jerk chicken gone on the grill. I get them first flip, you know. Oh yes, this full of flavor. It's almost done already. They're right, so. Flavorful pot of soup. Everything just step on top. Everything just come down to par. The flavor, the texture, everything. Piece of tripe, piece of rag. The dirty part. Oh yes. Yes, Dapo. Soup you eat. Done already. Yes man.
Yeah.
Soup you eat, man.
That's why them drink it, so. That's why them get mad when they do all this.
Soup as a bite. Jerk chicken up on grill. Fish are fry up. Street food vibes. Yeah man. Soup are done. Wicked. Wicked. Everything tastes good so far. Nothing tastes off. Even the natural juice we don't have no sugar. Cause the natural juice now no sugar, not true?
No, don't put them up.
Even the natural juice when no sugar tastes good, me I tell you, and it now no sugar. Wicked, just refreshing and cool. Nice. Yes man, the real vibe. The great Dapper man.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Big up yourself, man.
Straight.
Yes, sir. Straight.
Right, that's what the people can find now.
Yeah, right, yes, sir. Boundbrook Road.
Right at Boundbrook Road.
Yeah.
Wow.
Everything for you.
Thursday, Friday and Saturday.
Yeah, just sometimes we just have to have patience.
Wow.
Cause you don't know it go.
Wow.
Sometimes when a 10 or 20 people are cook your food, it can't taste like this.
Oh my god.
So when one somebody has serve it and have clean it up and have make it nice,
wow.
enjoy. Just wait for a minute.
Oh my god.
5-10 minutes.
Straight.
And there is nice.
Whoa. Straight man.
It's not like Kentucky, you know. Straight, me I tell you.
Straight.
It's a Shabba ranking, man. Can't tell you.
Straight Shabba Dan. Big up, you know? Yeah man. Great Dapper that. Yeah man. I've been running off this place from inner COVID, before COVID. Crazy vibes, man. More food are going in there. Yes man.
We have curry chicken back. We have curry conch ready. Whole food ready. Rice ready. Everything ready. Just start with your one. Boy food.
I want the color.
Come on, why ready now?
You think that's a little wine this morning? I want my emotion.
Well, why ready? Bag him up there. To the big man. You happy now? Food out. Oh. We don't keep cold food around here. Everything coming hot.
Straight.
Yeah.
All when them done cook them still up on the fire warm.
Yeah.
It is food time. People actually smelling the food actually. I come for them food there now. lunchtime.
Chicken back, you know.
And even 12 and even 11 o'clock yet, and whole heap of things ready. Crazy vibes. People are rolling for them food. Natural, authentic yard vibes. Yes, man. Crazy street food vibes at Daporado's street food 10. Pull up, stop right there, so get some food, get some really hard food. It's crazy. The soup was great. The ackee and saltfish, the ackee and canned pork was great. The chicken back right now. Jerk chicken over this up on the grill. Jerk chicken going over this up on the grill. It's just crazy. The haggard, the jerk haggard tastes so good. It's just crazy. The natural juice, everything just authentic right there. So real Jamaican food right here in a Port Antonio. People are pull up to them food right about now. It's time for lunch and it's just crazy. Belly feel good. Natural, authentic vibes. Crazy vibes. Just stop right there, so right at Boundbrook. Crazy vibes. Daporado. Yeah, man. Original Dapper Golden Chicken. Yeah, man. Oh. Yes, man, the vibes with roast breadfruit over there. Because you don't know jerk chicken and roast breadfruit. I get a roast breadfruit. It's just crazy. I get it on the grill. Wow. Natural vibes. Great Daporado, man. Yes, man.
No flow.
Crazy vibes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect,
Daporado, man. We are some man.
Straight. Real food.
Anytime you come in, you get the best of the best.
Oh, God, man.
We just work hard
Straight.
and try to please the people.
Respect, man. Street
Daporado.
Food is great, man.
Big.
Big bad Daporado. Crazy street food vibes right now. Fish still a fry up. Jerk chicken are going over there, so crazy street food vibes. Yeah, man. Yard life. Right now we're head into Kingston and we're gonna check out Carlos because Carlos have some jerk pork over there and we're not done eat yet. It's just crazy. It's now not even 12 o'clock yet. We're head from Port Antonio, Port Royal. Crazy vibes. We're gonna eat some food. Yeah, man. Some pork. Jerk pork. Original jerk pork. Great Carlos.
The great Carlos.
How much years do I do this now, Father Carlos?
You know, say, if I tell you to write it, I'm here this man, I know. Me start and this man used to come down, give me a hand.
Yeah.
What for years, about the last 30 years, I do it.
Right,
you know,
at this spot?
from this spot to round a bar around the sun named Buccaneer Roost. Right now, Buccaneer Roost not operating now.
Oh.
You understand?
Wow.
But me move from here, so me go round, so me come back here, so when that closed down, and we set up a tent thing. See me and I here.
Wow. Crazy.
And we still there.
Still
Go on. Yeah.
Oh, over the years.
Over the years.
Wow.
My friend, business over there.
Straight. Oh,
Straight too.
and him do, and I mean, understand, so him do like seafood, like conch
Seafood, conch, this, crab.
Wow.
The whole world.
And you respond for the pork and the chicken. Oh.
Yeah, man, the whole world.
And they have to taste some of that today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We can see some of the pork going on.
Yeah, man, they be ready, man.
Oh, them are ready?
Yes, man.
What you say?
Ready pork
Wow.
right now. Season up everything, make me pepper sauce.
Oh, you have the original pepper sauce too?
Yeah, man.
The great Carlos pepper sauce.
Great Carlos pepper sauce, this man. Serious thing, man.
Oh, yes. Whoa. Yo, that chicken here smell up the pan. Are the chicken over here, sir?
Chicken there, yes, sir.
Jeez,
Chicken there right there, some of us.
Oh, yes. Whoa. Cheese and peas. Original Carlos jerk chicken.
Yeah, man.
And the pork there over here, say, you know, say, no mix up.
We don't
nah,
mix
go
up,
on.
no.
Whoa.
We have to use different thing, you know? The angle.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
For real. Because you know the chicken lovers and the
That's
pork
pork
lovers.
lovers.
man.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. Because you can't mix up.
Straight.
You understand the boss?
Natural.
That's how it goes.
When the people them can find it? Is everyday thing?
No, man. It's on go on Friday, yes, so. And Wednesday out for the front page.
Oh, so you're on the front
On Wednesday.
on Wednesday?
Yeah,
Okay.
but we don't do the pork on Wednesday.
All the Fridays.
On go
So
Friday.
we catch up on the right day.
You catch me on the right.
For the pork.
For the pork.
Whoa. Oh yes. Backyard Lane. Oh, yes, the name Backyard Lane.
Fun
Oh,
Friday.
Fun Friday.
You make you try a piece of this, you know?
Wait, say I gotta make me try a piece of this.
Yes.
Right away.
I mean, right away.
Whoa. Oh yes. Why Father Carlos say I'm gonna make me try a piece of the pork right away. We need for there for long and we're about to try a piece of the pork. This looks so good already. The chicken let me look so good and I'm not finished up yet. I'm basically just that. What that? A breadfruit that roast breadfruit. Wow, natural vibes. Crazy vibes here in Port Royal. Port Royal is on the edge of the water, so you know you're so known for seafood, conch and all of them things there. It's just crazy vibes, but we're there to test out some jerk pork in the evening, yeah. And also some jerk fowl. Yeah man, natural way. Why is that sharp? Is that a sharp pea, man?
I'm telling you, man.
Man. Oh yes. Oh.
I want.
Let's say we want it spicing out. Great color spicing up on this, you know. And you make this?
Yeah, my special spice.
Your special. Wow. Oh yes. So we're about to try out some of this right now. Look at that. Looks so mellow and jello. Yo, it is just crazy. We literally just reached and the man greeted with jerk pork. This is basically parboiled, you know, boiled along with seasoning, all of the ground seasoning and everything before it actually go up on the grill. So when this go up on the grill, you know, say it no need no bag of work. Just less than 10 minutes and it actually just want to catch that little crispiness from off of the grill and we get greeted with some jerk pork. It's just crazy. We are going to dip in this right now with some of the spicy Carlos spicy sauce. Yeah man. First piece of the bone. Hold on. Oh, that seasoning start kicking. Hold on there. Whoa. Succulent. Whoa. This is actually the beefy part. This is actually the beefy part of the pork. And this is actually a jig, like literally a fibre. As I said before, Port Royal is known. It's on the edge of waters, right at the mouth of Kingston Harbour. So you know, say yeah, so it's just born to be a seafood ground. But the king of jerk pork on this side of the island, Great Carlos, we come to test out some of the pork, and we're not disappointed so far. As we come, we get greeted with pork. Yo, that spicy a kick. Father Carlos, man. Whoa. And the pork. Oh, you actually get the beefy part of it to be that succulent. Whoa.
I can't let go that, you know.
Whoa. Can't give her that. Can't give her that.
Just keep that, you know.
Oh, whoa. Cheese and beef. Oh, this is actually the skin part now. So we actually get a piece of the skin. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, Father Carlos, man. Wicked. Years and years of technique this. Whoa. Oh my God. Crazy. This pork is so good. I'm gonna have to come right just up. Right under the sign, Backyard Lane, right in Port Royal. Port Royal is a very small area. When you just follow this up, you know a lot of big names over here. Even Glorious Day over here, a lot of big names where you can actually come and get great seafood and crazy. Other food stuff too, but we're here for link up, call us, get some of the original jerk pork from this side of the area. And as we're there eating and speaking, jerk kicking over the start going. Crazy vibe. Wow.
Oh, you man, I hear some speaker there.
Some tape boy.
Yeah.
Clean pork. If you want jerk pork, come and call us jerk pork.
Oh, yeah, me.
Sponsored by Loose Cannon Tour.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the body sport. When you come to Port Royal,
right,
just check out Carlos for the jerk pork.
Carlos, love. My hand chop, man. On the foot, man. Look like him, man.
Let that gun.
Look like him, man. Chop him, man.
Mr. Roger.
Eh? You want to chop him, man?
With the broom on the map there.
We don't have broom on the map. Broom alone can do so, not map. Hey, Carlos? Eh? You make it wrong, but broom and map. We have 2 more charter for the pan, you know.
Carlos, I'll be a lobby for the next charter.
Yeah, 6:30 no? 6:30. I'm early, man. Gosh, I just 4:51, brother.
Fuck up the place.
Yeah, but time early, make it look like so late. You know, I think so late.
Carlos, how much is the pork?
100 man.
Yeah, man. You and him can give me $100. $100. Juicy full chicken.
Juicy food.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I don't put on no more yet.
Yeah.
Because I don't want the chicken dry out. I have to make some sears go on.
Whoa.
Then after this go down, I can always put on.
Whoa. Naturally.
Naturally.
You don't want your chicken dry
Dry
out.
out.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
I
Beautiful.
want the juice it same way when
Juicy.
I want to come.
Whoa. Alright.
Yeah, man. Nice breast and wing, I'm a boss.
Whoa. Whoa.
Don't want to get too much sauce to kill you off.
I said, don't want to give it too much of the sauce.
Sauce to kill you off.
Yeah, man. Sauce is really good though. Mild, spicy. Yeah, man. Alright.
That good?
Yes, sir. Crazy jerk chicken vibes here in Port Royal. Wicked Carlos vibes. This chicken, you can actually see some of the green, you can actually see some of the seasoning on the chicken. It actually finished, but you can actually see some of the green seasoning in the chicken. Can't wait to taste how this actually tastes. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Soft, that melting in my mouth. Whoa. Whoa. The seasoning actually dip on the chicken same way. Whoa. Whoa. This is something different. This tastes so good. Whoa. Oh yeah. This is Port Royal vibe. Known for fish, but then you can get good solid jerk pork and chicken over here from the great father Carlos. Whoa. Just look on this. The season, the green season, actually seen the season where season the meat, pan the meat when it actually finished. Whoa. All of the juice actually in the chicken same way, so this not even a choke. You don't even want no water with this, you don't want nothing at all with this. Oh, wow. Wow. Natural vibe. This is the vibe here. Carlos. When I come Port Royal, you don't have to find him. these natural green seasons actually heat and vibe. Actually tap on the chicken after it come off a grill. It's another dose of flavor. Wow. Look on this. Oh. Crazy vibes here in Port Royal with the African link up. Father, call us, man. It's been a while. The jerk pork here is crazy. The jerk chicken here is crazy. Been doing this for years. Crazy vibes here in Port Royal. I have to come get the boss a strength. I don't know that go. Jerk pork vibes, jerk chicken vibes in our fish area. It's just crazy. Yard life. Crazy fish. There. What kind of fish, my mama shine?
You have snapper, jack, and parrot.
Snapper, jack, and parrot.
Yes, and I sell fry fish and bami and festival and soup.
Whoa.
Certain times of the, like certain weekends I sell soup.
Oh, certain weekends I sell the soup.
Yes.
But what about the fish? People can get fish
Yes.
right through.
No, not right through.
Not
Only
right through.
weekends.
Only weekends.
Yes.
Fridays and Saturdays.
Friday,
Them can
Saturday,
come.
and sometime on Sundays.
Whoa, them can get the fish.
Yes.
Whoa, beautiful fried fish. I wonder if we can name them out with food by just looking at them right now.
These are snappers.
Oh, snapper them over here.
One parrot there, and jack here.
Oh, jack.
Yes, and snapper.
Oh, whoa. I love to taste jack. Whoa.
Okay.
I go want one of them jack there right now to eat. Crazy food vibes. Whoa, natural food vibes here in Port Royal. Food never stop. A lot of food spots around here. Natural, authentic Jamaican cooking, pork, chicken, fish. Bami, it's just crazy. And they are going to eat one jack. We actually catch jack already in the sea. And they are going to taste one fried jack. Crazy. What you say? Pepper. Yeah, man. The original. Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
Wow. Natural vibes. Escovitch.
Right.
Wow. After eating all of that pork. Oh, yeah, good? After eating all of that pork. I'm a cameraman. After eating all of that pork and chicken and things, we get a nice big jackfish. Oh, big jackfish from Mama Shine. We are going to eat this right now. Well fried. So why not eat so fast? Jackfish is a vibe. If you don't want to come in the camera, stand up. Stand up right. I'm standing up right this. I'm looking at the camera. You see yourself now? Subscribe the yard life group. Alright. No problem.
The yellow one.
Whoa. Jack is crazy vibe. This, as I said before, here over Port Royal is a seafood spot, but you can get a lot more stuff. Chicken, pork, and a whole heap of other stuff. Jamaican stuff. What? Festival and them thing there. Whoa. Festival and fish. Can't go wrong. And Bami. Can't go wrong.
Where you come from?
Garlic crab.
You sell crab and all of them too?
Yes, I do.
Whoa.
When it is in season.
Okay. Wow. Natural vibes. Port Royal vibes.